I have all my Moscow gear here, helmet bag, I got the mule going. I should say I got the backpack going, and then I've got my helmet gear and the mule. It's 4:30, waiting for my Uber. Meet up with the boys. Start our journey to everybody to meet up in Barcelona. So we'll see you later. Thanks everybody. Bye. Dan has arrived. Are you ready for Barcelona?
Oh, hell yeah. You smell sparkling fresh, dude.
How you doing, brother?
Great.
Good
How are
seeing
you?
Good.
Sparky's back there trying to figure out how to get on this plane.
As usual, we are waiting for the other, I guess Sparky. He's just Sparky. So you guys know Sparky. Greg is doing Greg things.
Trying to get on the flight.
She initially said he couldn't check into Barcelona. I'm like, well, my buddy just did. What the hell? And I had to spend a little money. It wasn't because I wasn't spending money.
Shocking.
It wasn't
Shocking.
due to trying to save money.
Yeah.
So, you ready?
I'm ready.
This begins our journey to Barcelona.
Phase 1 through security.
Barcelona.
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 I was like, you say that we're gonna go to Spain, but have I ever been to Barcelona?
Barcelona.
So, boys, you know, this is, it's been a tough day. Look at us out here on the sun deck.
We are on the sun deck. This is kind of nice, right? Uh-oh, copyright infringement.
Don't worry about it. No, this is not it's live.
It's public domain.
Got an hour till we leave, and then we have that excitement going on. All right, so much for that. More video coming, but it's been a long day here in JFK. We're headed overseas. A little craziness. No copyright strikes. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Where are we going? Barcelona.
What?
Porque esto bravo y Barcelona y fantástico.
Tonya. Let's go.
We have been.
Told me what.
So how long have we been here?
At least 7 hours.
Maybe 8. How many beers? 12.
I don't even know.
Easy. All right, let's go. Chad, what are you doing out here?
Watching the world go by here. It's a very different world.
Hi,
Doing a
Greg.
good job of it.
Tom, how we doing? We are at our Airbnb waiting to get in, right, Dan?
Yes, sirree, Bob.
Sean is making his debut. He finally got here.
Por favor, no fotografías. Por favor.
We're gonna have to put up with that crap too all week. This is where we're staying. Right down there is a nice beach.
Plaza.
If we get injured, we got the Pharmacia right next to us. And with this crew, you just never know before we even get on our bikes.
His kid he grew up with, they stayed friends, is at UConn where I went. And so he stayed with him at UConn.
Neat. Yeah, moto ref for USA Cycling.
Hi guys.
Anything else you got to start?
Are you doing the tour?
You got to be a regular ref.
Touristy
Then you got to get your motor.
You're doing touristy stuff.
Then you got to start actually.
Are we ready? Are we going to the Domo or what is this place called? The Basilica.
Basilica Familia.
It's a
Basilica Familia. Yeah, the camera won't even do it justice, will it?
Not at all. Damn, that is cool.
Note to everybody, if you want to go see it, you got to get a ticket, and they're sold out. So leave it to us knuckleheads from America. Oh, there's a crew right there. There's a lineup. That's like Usual Suspects right here. Are they playing a little bocce over here?
See.
A little bocce ball.
Taco Bell.
All right, walk this through this chat one more time.
KFC.
So total American here. KFC, Hard Rock, Burger King, Taco Bell, Basilica.
We're adding the rest of the American flavor. We have what? Five Guys,
Ben and Jerry's.
Ben and Jerry's, and McDonald's.
Hey, how European is this?
Chad, should we keep up the American theme of what is it now?
You got Subway.
Subway.
Then you got Starbucks.
Is there anything else around here?
I'm
that
certain of it. I'm absolutely certain of it.
All right.
Something else.
There you go. Why is he always looking at watches?
An addiction. It's like, you know, you fly out to Spain to come look at watches.
I mean, I just want to sightsee.
He wants to go to all these damn watches.
Freaking watches left and right, left and right.
Go to Barcelona.
Yeah.
Watches.
Watches, swatches. What the hell?
Yeah, why
Wait,
can't-
swatch. That'd be a good name for a watch.
Why can't
Such
he
a
just
pain
get,
in the
Why
ass.
can't he just get swatches? Why does he have to get these metal ones? What's wrong with plastic watches?
Oh boy, here we go. What did we buy?
Sport model.
Just a small little rubber watch.
Trinket. You just bought
Just a little trinket
Like a
today.
swatch, but heavier.
All right.
Pablo took care of you.
Cheers. It's a good experience, fun times.
All right. So I was just in Cleveland, 2 weekends ago, and I was at Teddy Baltazar's buying a Nomos glass suit, and then now I'm here in Barcelona buying IWC George Russell IWC AMG watch. So this is awesome.
And the store is Rabat, right?
So Pablo, say hello.
Hi, guys.
All right.
Hi.
Beautiful.
If you don't mind, it's going to be on YouTube.
So anybody,
You're the best friends ever.
We're a bunch of guys.
Hey,
We went
we're the wolf pack. We're a wolf pack.
and we just went jewelry shopping.
We tip champagne. We can drink champagne for hours.
Oh yeah, baby.
Oh my god. Now we got free umbrellas. Wow, that is pretty cool. Look at how crazy that is. That is nuts, dude.
Well, we watched the Man U match.
Who won?
Who won?
Well, Liverpool did not win, but Chelsea did not win. True American form, it was a push.
Did you say American porn?
No.
There's Guinness here, right?
They might have a pint of
I
Guinness or
drink all
something.
the Guinness.
Oh my God.
Just
Excuse me while I puke.
Mama mia.
I love the Clash.
That's what he said. He likes the Clash.
how can I?
It's like he's directing again, isn't it?
Hey, well, who's he texting?
Yeah, who are you texting? All the Americans are sleeping.
I know you carry on. Yes,
Yes, I mean, my, how could I forget you?
You know the scary part, Sean?
What?
Yeah,
Know the words.
That's great. That's great.
Because I drank too much.
You see the way he came?
Yeah, that
aggressive.
I'll fucking bust his ass.
That was aggressive. Oh,
Move out of the way. I gotta get to the key.
Aki.
Aki, move.
Aki.
Move. We gotta go to 10.
Okay. Oh no,
Get
don't
that
say.
10.
Hold
Hold on.
What happened? Oh no.
Silencio, por favor.
Silencio.
Silencio, por favor.
Silencio.
You know, lock it up.
You lock it up.
Lock it up. Lock it up. Lock it up. Lock it up.
You know, Tom's gonna be pissed when he's coming screaming like this.
You lock it up.
Come on, Craigie. Come on, Craigie. Hard right. Nice and gentle, hard right.
Tranquilo.
Gentle.
Derecha.
Tranquilo. A la derecha. Tranquilo. A la derecha. Yes.
Derecha.
A la derecha, tranquilo.
La puca. La
No,
puca.
no, puta.
No
A
buta.
la derecha, punta. Yeah, I knew it.
Maricón.
Maricón.
Vamos a
la derecha.
Derecha.
Yeah, punta a la derecha.
Brian, you're drunk. You're drunk.
Chad's probably on the other side holding it back.
Hard!
What if it's like a bed and breakfast type of thing? And then we're running right along with this storm over here on the left.